Top-notch AC repair services may be had from Ace Comfort Air Conditioning and Heating in Houston, Texas, your reliable partner. Utilizing a group of knowledgeable specialists and cutting-edge machinery, we provide quick and effective solutions to maintain a chilled and cozy house. We can help with everything from issue debugging to routine maintenance. Satisfy all of your heating and cooling requirements with Ace Comfort's dependability and knowledge. We put your comfort first. Contact our AC Repair today for consultation. Are you looking for a AC repair near me? You can stop looking. You found Ace Comfort Air Conditioning and Heating. How do I fix my air conditioner that is not cooling? Make sure the thermostat is adjusted correctly and that all of the vents are open if your air conditioning system comes on but doesn't release chilly air. In case they aren't the issue, examine the air filter. Airflow won't occur if it's blocked by dirt or other particles. How long should an AC unit last in Houston? A well-maintained central air conditioning system may last up to 15 to 25 years, whereas window air conditioners usually last 10 years. What is your AC repair area for the Houston, Texas office? Our local AC repair has helped clients in the surrounding areas of Houston, Cypress, Tomball, Pasadena, Katy, Sugar Land, Baytown, Friendswood, Spring, League City, Harris County, the Woodlands, Humble, Bellaire, Galveston, Angleton, Damon, Eagle Lake, Texas. Where is your Houston, Texas AC repair located? We are located at 1504 Rothwell Street, Houston, Texas 77002. Our phone number is 281-658-5141. Visit our website, http://www.achicomforttx.com/